Alright, so the first thing you want to do is spray your hair. I use the African Pride leave-in conditioner spray because you don't want to pick out dry hair. Okay, so then you want to get your pick. You want to pick it out from the root. Alright, so after that, I use my leave-in cream by African Pride, and I put that on the sides, back, and the front of my hair. I'm just trying to stretch my hair out by doing these. Alright, so once you do that, you want to get your bristle brush, and I spray leave-in conditioner on it because it's hard and you don't want to like pull your hair out because this is dry, and then so you want to spray it. Yeah, I spray it. Then you want to comb your hair up into like the ponytail. But then you want to get this. This is my hair tie. I cut a stocking and then I made this very stretchy. It's kind of worn out, but it's okay. So I put it behind my ear. So then I'm gonna spray again on my hair. Then you want to get your pick from the root. Alright, so you can leave it like this in the puff if you wanted to, but I already have a video on how to do a puff on type 4 short to medium hair, and I'm gonna link it above to watch it after this video if you want to see it. But this is how to do a bun, how to keep it like big like this, but like to tuck the ends to make it look like a big bun. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. You want to get a scrunchie like this. Get this from your local beauty supply store, and it spreads out so wide. That's why I like it, and it doesn't have any nags on it. You know those little metal nags that can like get twisted up in your hair. So yeah, that's why I get these. So what you want to do, you want to form your bun to like how you want it to be. Like I want mine to be like, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna start from the front, then I'm gonna be like that. You see how I did it? Then you want to just drop it. So you want to pick it out, and that's it. Then you want to do your edges. My edges, I use the edge booster. I love this edge control because it keeps my edges slicked back. It doesn't make them curl up or anything. So this is the end of my video on how I achieve a high bun on my type 4 natural hair. I hope that this helped you, and y'all should definitely check out the African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner spray and the African Pride leave-in cream. I love these products. It works very well on your type 4 hair, so I do recommend y'all to get that. And this edge booster, okay? If you have a hard time slicking down your edges, you should for sure get this because honey, it will last all day. This is a side. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and yes, like I said, I am doing Vlogmas, so be on the lookout for my video on tomorrow.